Chicken pa tayo day.
Kag chicken.
Where are you going, guys?
Unhealthy foods. Bigay mo pa tayo.
Ay, day nauluto? Day naluluto? Uy, pang dinner.
Aming ate driver.
Ba't hanangin siya di timeline na?
Nakashare ya.
Hello guys! Welcome to Dangs in Canada channel! Please subscribe!
Yung spelling na di dang gabi.
Hello everyone!
Zay.
Please subscribe our channel.
Dangs in
Here,
Canada.
here.
Everything eh.
Hello.
Hi! Ayan si Ate Dangs.
Really? Pakilala mo lahat.
Ito si Madam Greta. Wow!
Grabe naman yung Greta.
Ito si Madam Donna. Show me your money. Give me